What's up, everyone? Tonight we are heading to our first car meet in Tokyo. Police! 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 So it's only been a couple hours since I quit filming Tokyo Auto Salon Day 2, and we are now heading out to the Chronicles Tokyo night meet. GPS says it's going to take us about 30 to 40 minutes to get there, and from what I'm hearing, this is going to be the biggest meet of the weekend. So let's get started. We're seriously only 1 minute into our journey and there's a Kinemari in front of us. Now I'm starting to feel like we're getting into Tokyo. Well, we're definitely close. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's a Mario Kart up there. A bunch of Mario go-karts with people dressed up as Mario, Luigi. There are police up here though, so I'm afraid it might be getting shut down. I'm not sure. So the original meetup spot was shut down. I'm sure the cops have heard about it, so they completely closed off the parking garage. The Chronicles, the people who are hosting the meet, have posted up a new location. GPS was acting a little sketchy, but I did find some fellow Y plates. So now I'm following a Laurel that is owned by a military member who lives up here in mainland Japan, and he's pretty sure he knows where we're going, so I'm gonna follow him. Nobody has any idea. We're trying to ask the locals, but we're not figuring it out. And now the police. The struggle of finding the new spot for the car meet. All these guys right here are Y plates. The Hondas up there are the locals. And we are trying to find where to go here. So this is the current struggle right now. Apparently there's checkpoints up ahead, so all these guys with modified cars are gonna get fix-it tickets, which are basically tickets that make you have to re-JCI your car or pay money to get certain things fixed that are against the law. So right now we're just trying to figure out where to go. More cops. NSX. I think we're gonna try to make it over to Daiako Futo. Just finished up going through another toll booth. Tolls are ridiculously expensive here in Tokyo. It has been a year and a half since I've driven in any kind of big city. Naha is the capital of Okinawa, and that's a decent sized city, but Tokyo, this is insane. Tunnels, the sound of my people. Pretty much having to floor it everywhere in the Swift to keep up with the Laurels, the Chasers, the RX-7, the Civics, whatever else is up here with us. At Kokofuto! This is Daiako Futo, but I'm pretty sure the cops are here too.
Yeah. Wherever that cop had that shit.
Oh, that's how you get in?
Yeah, that's where you get in.
So over there is Daiako Futo that everybody knows from videos, but I guess the cops had it blocked off on the entrance, so that's a no-go as well. We're gonna try one other place before we count the night as a complete bust. So this is probably gonna be it. There's really not much going on tonight. The cops are shutting down everything. I mean, I guess there's a lot going on, but it's just cops everywhere. So I'm with a few guys here. Let's check out some of their cars. A couple Mark IIs. The Laurel. FD. Probably so low light you can't even see anything. Picking up a little bit out here. So it's not a complete bust. A few people showing up now. I think we might have found some shenanigans to get into. One of the locals came up to us and said there was a big turbo Mark II coming out, and once he got here to follow him, and they knew a spot where there wasn't going to be cops, so we're going to go check that out. I think things are about to get interesting, boys. Welcome to Tokyo. I apologize for the shakiness of this camera, but I am not used to this northern Japan cold. Police! 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 Oh my God, the adrenaline rush when those cops showed up just now. I don't know if I got it on camera, but the cops pulled up just as all those Japanese dudes are drifting around out there. Oh man, Tokyo is amazing. So we just pulled into a little convenience store parking lot, went over and talked to the local guys for a minute and just told them how awesome that was. And they spoke a little bit of English and said thank you and said drifting is an art and completely awesome time. We're gonna start heading back towards the apartment now though, because it is getting late. I'll wait to finish this video up until we get back, just in case we see anything else cool on the way. This tunnel's been going on forever. It makes me think of the arcade games you play where you're flying through the tunnels in Tokyo. Not as fun in Suzuki Swift though. I'm 100% not joking. We've seriously been in this tunnel for 3 miles now or something like that. And we're not underwater, we're not going through a mountain, we're just under Tokyo. We're finally emerging from this tunnel. No joke, at least 10 miles later, the GPS stopped working. So right now I have no idea if I've missed the turn or not.
Make a U-turn.
And it says make a U-turn.
Merging traffic ahead from the right. Drive carefully.
I'm just gonna keep this pointed at the road because I'm not gonna distract myself. But that giant long, 10-mile long tunnel under the city of Tokyo just screwed us over. Of course I didn't have cell phone signal in there, so I missed my exit. But apparently it's rerouted us a different route. Hopefully we'll get home soon. That's gonna do it for tonight's video. We're finally back at the house. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It didn't go quite as planned. There was supposed to be a giant car meet, the best car meet of the weekend. But of course the cops heard about it and they shut that down quick. A second location got posted up about 10 minutes after the meet was supposed to start. Everybody started heading to that location, and within 20 to 30 minutes they had already posted back on the Facebook page not to go to the second location, that the cops were already there waiting on everybody. They had checkpoints set up for inspections and just a huge mess. But luckily we made it out to that Lawson's, which I guess is a local hangout for car enthusiasts. Met up with those dudes and got to see some awesome drifting. That was not something I was expecting to see tonight, and that was a great way to end the car videos for Tokyo. Tokyo definitely beats Okinawa hands down. I really hope I get the chance to come back up here for a week or two, maybe later this year or early next year. I really hope you all enjoyed all the coverage of Tokyo Auto Salon and the little bit of car stuff we got into tonight. I went ahead and did the raw footage on everything just because I feel like that's how Tokyo should be. I love all the sounds of Tokyo Auto Salon, and I love all the sounds of the car meet, the drifting, everything. Music, I think, would just ruin that, and I hope you guys can agree with that. Still have one more video coming from Tokyo, though. Tomorrow, the family and I are heading out to Shibuya. We're gonna ditch the rental car back at the airport, jump on a train, go down to Shibuya, check out Shibuya Crossing, which is the famous crossing. A lot of you who follow this channel probably saw it on Tokyo Drift, where they drift through the intersection and all the people are getting out of the way. We're gonna head down there and check that out and do a little sightseeing around Tokyo tomorrow. Tomorrow is our last full day in Tokyo, so definitely tune in for that video. I'll be videoing everything just because I think it's a good experience for everybody to get to see what Tokyo is like. But I am 100% beat now. It is late and I have to be up early. Thank you all so much for the support. Thank you for coming along to Tokyo with me. And as always, thanks for watching.